Hello guys, welcome back for another DIY video. In this video I'm going to install a Yale Night Latch. As you can see, somebody snapped a key in my door and I'm going to replace the whole unit. Right here I've got a brand new Yale Night Latch which costs £25. Emptying out the box, seeing what parts we've got. I'm going to start off by removing the two little screws on the side of the night latch. Then once that's been done, it should slide off. Now you can see the door plate, which is secured by a number of screws. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. So once you've removed the door plate, the lock cylinder should come away. There's literally nothing holding it in at this point. I'm going to go ahead and install the new plate with the standard screws which came in the box. Now you may notice that there's a piece of metal attached to the cylinder lock, and depending on the thickness of your door you may have to cut that down. The lock cylinder can be passed through the other side of the door and tightened up by using the long screws which came in the box. When those have been tightened up, the cylinder lock should have a snug fit. So now most of the hardware is done. We've got the door plate which is attached and the lock cylinder is fitted, and I'm just going to slide the night latch on itself. This should just slide on from the left and you have to line up the catch itself with a little mechanism inside. Now the two small screws which came in the box can be tightened up and it should fit. I'm taking off the old strike plate. Once the screws have been removed, it should just slide off. I'm using two of the screws which came in the box and I'm using a much longer screw. So these screws aren't typical, but fitting a longer screw that goes through the door frame makes it stronger. Thanks for watching. If you got any value out of this video, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.